Alright, what's up, guys? Hello, it's Mahisha. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. I hope you are having the most glamorously gorgeous day ever. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to decorate around the TV. Easy tips for decorating around your TV. So, stay tuned. So guys, I bought this wallpaper because adding a stonework wallpaper behind the TV will create a cozy environment. So what do you think, guys? I think the final look is amazing. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hey though.